In this video, I'll show you how much Salesforce CRM costs and where you can find the latest official pricing. As you can see on my screen, this is Salesforce's official pricing page, where you can compare all the available CRM plans along with the features included in each one. Here, you'll find different plans designed for businesses of all sizes, from small teams getting started to large enterprises that need advanced features. Each plan displays its pricing, key features, and billing details, making it easy to compare your options. Since Salesforce updates its plans and pricing from time to time, I recommend always checking this official Salesforce pricing page before making a purchase. That way, you'll have the most up-to-date information on pricing, features, and any available offers. I'll leave the link to this official Salesforce pricing page in the description below, so you can visit it anytime and explore all the plans in more detail. And that's everything you need to know about Salesforce CRM pricing in 2026.